So let's see how the room looks like from inside. Come. Living. My room number is 818, which means it's on the 8th floor. And the room that we have got is executive standard room. Let's see the room from inside. Come. So just near the entrance, we have the wardrobe. Come, let's see the wardrobe from inside. In the wardrobe, we have got the locker and the hangers. And then this is your drawer with the laundry bag, the disposable sleepers over there, and we have got a big mirror here. On the left side, we have the bathroom. Come, let's see bathroom from inside. Basin area. Come, let's see the toiletries over here. Comb. We have shaving kit. Then we have dental kit. Shower cap. Body lotion. Small face towel. We have soothing massage bar. The tissue papers. 2 glasses. So this is the shower area. I'll just close the door and show you how much is the space for the shower. This is the glass door and this much is the space for shower. The panel. Come, let's see what are the toiletries in the shower area. This is the shampoo. This is the body wash. And this is the conditioner. So shampoo, body wash and conditioner. So this is the tea and coffee station. The kettle, we've got 2 cups. The creamery, milk powder, sugar, refined sugar. Then we have English breakfast tea and Earl Grey tea. We have coffee pouches as well. Nescafe and the stirrers. Here they are providing us 4 bottles of mineral water, Ava mineral water, and 2 glasses. Below just the tea station, we have got this storage space with a mini fridge. I'll show you the fridge from inside. So this is the living space they have given us. Along with the bed, they have also provided us with the sofa, and it's an expandable sofa which we can convert into a bed also. This is the inside bed. Here they have also provided us with the mini work area, small cozy place for work with a lampshade. With a cute lamp. the TV, LG big size TV. So this is a smoke-free room. Come, let's see the view on the Google. Also, it is seen that this particular hotel is inside the city. So the view that we are getting over here all is the city view. Come, let's see. So this is the farm view. The windows are not clear from outside. Nice lampshades, isn't it? This is the storage area. This is snooze dimmer. So as I told you, this is a snooze dimmer, which means it can be used for FM radio purposes as well, and also as a clock. The bed seems to be very comfortable, and I like the lighting and the room color also. The decor of the room is also very simple and elegant, yet classy. This is the sitting area that they have provided just near the bed with a small table. So this was all about the room tour of Hyatt Place, Vadodara.
Following me, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and tell me how do you like this video in the comment section below.
It's me, Priyanka Dadwal, saying ciao for now. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay happy. Bye bye.